Welcome everybody to our second week for the Digital Competences course, and you will find an announcement with the link for this video in order to see and to check on the activities for this second week. First of all, please go to resources, learning resources in order to find our session number 2. When you are here, you will realize that there is an agenda where you are required to first go to this link and solve this diagnosis test that will also let us know how are you advancing on or how you are going with your digital competence. So you will click on the start button in order to start with the first question, read its instructions, and once you're ready, it will take you to the first item. They will give you some kind of categories and also for all of those, some statements. Please read them and according to what you think or where you think you are or what is closer to what you possess already, for example, to some extent, to a large extent, etc. You have to click in there in order to move to the next question or statement. And like this, you will be able to finish this diagnosis test. At the end, it will give you a wheel with results, and it's easier like this. It looks like a graph to observe what will be your strengths and also your weaknesses, we will say, or opportunities to learn during the second semester. So when you have the result, please send me this screenshot. You can also download the results as a PDF because it's very specific and you can read that information for your own learning of yourself, we will say. Also, please, another activity is for you to go to the Knowledge and Courses, create an account, either by filling out the form or logging with Google. When you are in there, choose your Gmail account, the one you want to use for Allison. Remember that you need to return as many times as possible to finish the courses. There are some categories for you to choose from. I gave you a list on the presentation, but if you chose one for technology, there are other subcategories that you could choose from, like, for example, software tools. If you think this is an opportunity for you to learn or a weakness, accordingly to the results of the wheel, then you are going to take it. Look, it says certificate for the following, for Zoom, for Excel, for Word, Outlook, and others. So in case you want to choose this way, how to use appropriately Zoom, you will go there. And over here, it's going to be showing you your progress. You've got to complete the whole course in order to receive a score in the completion of all the modules over here. So you've got to go and open each one in order to finish them. And they sometimes show you slides, sometimes they show you videos, etc. in order to be checking out. Yes. So this is what you got to do. Start topic. And this is an example of something you will see. And you have to watch it and continue to the next slide in order to complete the modules as I said. So what I need you to send to me will be the screenshot of your diagnosis test and also the completed Allison course. Yes, there are some activities over here for you to solve for session 2. In case you have other doubts, do not hesitate to let me know. Have a wonderful week.